Namoli, the confidence of truly clean, protecting the health of everyone in healthcare.
Another one of Namoli's auditing tools is ATP testing. Really, what we're trying to do is understand the cleaning process and how effective it is. That's what this is really good for. So adenosine triphosphate is an energy molecule that every single cell in the world, or the known world, it has within itself. What this test does is it tests for the presence of ATP on the environmental surface. It may not mean that the surface is contaminated, but what this test really does is test the efficacy of the cleaning procedure and the chemicals being used. So this test would be primarily used to check the cleaning processes of a facility. It will detect whether or not there's protein on the surface, but it won't give you a definitive result as to is there any infectious agents on that surface. So it's very important to remember that. This is an audit test that we do as part of our process. So predominantly we'll come into a facility and we'll, over the first 2 to 3 weeks, we'll do over 20 or 30 cleaning cycles. So we'll set the benchmarks for each of the areas. So we'll pick critical points within each of the areas. So reception, pre-op, operative, post-op or recovery. So we'll check at least 10 points within those, and then we'll do a base. So we'll do a swab on these surfaces pre-cleaning, and then we'll go and do a test on the same surfaces post-cleaning, and then we'll look at the results. And what we're looking for is trends of seeing how the cleaning goes over time. Now, this test also measures what's called relative light units. Now, for these types of facilities, between 0 and 150 is a pass. Between 150 and 300 is a caution, and with 300 and over is a fail. It only takes a couple of minutes, this test, but it gives us an instantaneous result. So this is 24 RLUs, this passes with flying colours.
Want more confidence, control and simplicity when it comes to cleaning? Contact us today to organise a free consultation.